Hello guys and welcome to my channel that is Coding is Easy. So from today we are gonna start with our new course that is Python language. This is Python logo on my screen and this is taken from Wikipedia.org. Next, before diving deep into Python, first of all I think we need to know that what is Python and why it is necessary, what is the importance of Python programming language. So Python is another object-oriented Python that is programming language. It is the object-oriented programming language created by Gururam in 1989. Sorry, today I have a bad throat. I'm sorry for that. So before diving deep, Python is easy to learn programming language. Like even if you are a beginner, Python is very easy to learn that because it is much similar to the English language. Next, we can say that though it is easy, it is also one of the powerful programming language, which is also the high level programming language. Next, here you can see on my screen I have searched for Python on Google, and you can see here that is Python is high level interpreted general purpose programming language. So the design of Python is much similar, like it increases the code readability, which I have earlier also mentioned that it is very easy to learn even if you are a beginner in programming. Next, one more advantage which I can tell you is that Python is dynamically typed programming language. So what is dynamically typed? For example, let's suppose I will not search it, but for example, if you wanna search for, if you wanna save some integer value in a variable, so in other programming language, for example in Java, you need to say that int a equal to some value, suppose 10, and give it as a semicolon. So in Java you need to specify the data type here, that is int, then the variable and it's equal to and the value, and you need to end it with a semicolon. So this which is a syntax oriented also language. So in Python there is no need to write all this thing. In Python you just need to write as you write any algo, like a pseudo code, that is just a is equals to 10. That's it. Now Python will automatically get to know that you are creating a variable a which is storing a value 10 in it. There is no need for defining any data type, that is integer or whatever. It will automatically interpret that what value we are storing in a particular variable. One more thing, the variable whichever you specify, that need not to be a keyword which we use in Python. So this is just a demo. That is how the Python is dynamically typed programming language. Next, the garbage collection. So in Python the garbage is collected automatically. Python have a diverse applications, like you can use it for web development as well as software development, scientific applications, even in gaming Python is used, Python programming language is used, and also the newly hype courses which we see nowadays, that is the AI and ML, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, uses Python as a primary language to deal with that. Although it have a much more scientific programming language, but Python is also used while programming in code in any algorithm in machine learning and AI. So I think this much info about Python is very much sufficient, like why it is important for you to learn Python. So let's just dive into the thing, that is how you will download Python on your system. So for example, just type Python here as on Google, and you will this type of page will appear on your screen. Next, just go to download, and here the latest, you can download the latest version for, like here I am using Windows, so I will be downloading the latest version for Windows, that is Python 3.10.5. You can just click on download, and that's it. It will start downloading. I will not download this as I have already installed Python in my system. So hey guys, after you have completed your download of Python 3.10. I think it was 1. So after downloading that, you will just go and click on that, and then this Python setup window will appear. Here you can go for the customize installation option, or else you can also go for install now. So whichever suits you, you can go with that. Next, these are some of the options you can click. Just after clicking, or I think it will be automatically already have been checked. So next you will go for the next option, and then just install it. After installation, the setup progress will continue, and that's it. You're good to go with Python. And let's finish this course with a short program. You can write a Python program using the IDE which we have just installed, that is the Python IDE 3.10.1, I think. So or else you can also go with the Python editor, that is the code editor. I will be using PyCharm for this course. Like, I'm very familiar with PyCharm, and I feel it's a very easy to use for Python coders. So also PyCharm is also one of the IDE which professional coders use to edit or to program in Python language. PyCharm is also created by JetBrains. So without wasting much of the time, let's just go and download PyCharm. So for that, you need to go to Google and type PyCharm, and then just click download PyCharm. Now you can go with the professional PyCharm version, or also the community one. Here you can use it for Windows. I have my Windows laptop with me right now, so I will be downloading PyCharm community version for now. If you have the Mac OS, and you can download the respective community version. Community version is the free open source PyCharm version, or if you have Linux, you can go and download it for Linux too. I have Windows, so I will be downloading the community version of PyCharm for Windows. I have already installed that, so I won't be downloading that for now, but you go, and once this download has complete, come back to the video. Yeah, so hello guys, I hope you have downloaded PyCharm, and now we will be this kind of when you open your PyCharm and PyCharm setup has been completed, then this type of window will open for you. So You just need to create a new project. Just give it any name, like for example, I will create it as demo. No need to change anything from it, and just go and create. Yeah, so guys, your new project, that is I have been named as a demo, that has already been created, and it is stored under the location of where this demo project have been stored, that is the C user HP PyCharm project /demo. So this is the main file which I have already created. I will just run. Let's check what happened. Yeah, so this is one of the function. Actually, I think I should rub this. This is running well, but this will be a hyped one program for you. So let's just start with the small one. Yeah, so this is the basic structure of how the Python program works. So first of all, there will be the import statement, then there will be the global declaration, and later on in the under the global declaration there will be variables, functions, classes which we will define and declare. So you can see I have indented a space over here like this. Just a minute, this much space. So in Python, indentation plays a very important role, defining the scope of a function, a scope of class, a function of if, scope of if loop, and all of that. So indentation plays a very important role in Python. You should take a note of that. Then there will be the program statement. So first of all, let's just code our first program. That will be a simple one. Here we'll be using a print function, which is a user defined function. So let's just see how easy is Python to code as compared to the other programming languages. So just for printing, say welcome to Python, you just need to print, print welcome to Python. That's it. And if you run that, that's it. Welcome to Python have been printed. You can also specify one more. Print welcome to coding is easy. So again, if I will run that, it will show you both the statement. Python goes runs line by line. So if I write it over here and again run that, it will show you the same code. Again, if you don't want to write this on a new like on a separate line, you can also write this in the same line. Just Control X, just remove this, just give it a space and print. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, so if you print this, new line won't be printed over here. Here there will be just a space between these two. There will just be a space. If you want to add welcome to print line, a new line, you can add \n. Yeah, you can see welcome to Python is printed on new line. I think here is a space, that's why it yeah, it was a previous output. And also, so \n is used to end this line over here and start a new line next, from just next after here it is y, so next just after this, so a new line will be started. If you add, there is also one more t is for tab, so it will be printed after taking a tab. So here a tab is here, so it's just a printing function. I was just using different printing styles. So that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you like this, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also the conclusions that what we have learned today. So we have learned about why Python is important, who created Python, how important Python language is in today's world, also its installation and the simple Python program. So like, share and to comment how do you like my video, so as to increase my motivation and give your love to this video. Thank you.